Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel Shopify subscription. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can cancel Shopify subscription, and also if you already paid for the Shopify subscription but you don't use it, like you just find out, like you just checked your bank account, okay, and then you found that Shopify charged your bank without you using your Shopify store. And I'm going to be showing you actually at the end of this video how you can get the refund. Now, if you just want to cancel Shopify subscription, then you just need to go to your Shopify store. Okay, just log in into the Shopify, like your Shopify dashboard, which is this. Now, then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click here where it says plan. Okay. Okay, after guys you click on plan, as you can see, click on settings, click on plan. Now here, if you see here this button that says deactivate store, click on it and then click on continue. Okay, now if you click on continue and click again on continue, you will be able to deactivate your Shopify store, and like Shopify will not charge your card anymore. Okay, they will not charge you monthly or yearly, depending of your plan you selected when you pick that plan on Shopify. If you selected you pay every year, they will not charge your card, or if you paid every single month, they will not charge your card. Okay, regardless of the time you selected, you will not charge your card. Now let's say that you already paid for the plan and they charged your card, but you didn't use your Shopify store, you didn't take advantage of that. Now what you need to do in this case is you want to go to open a new tab and search for contact. Okay, contact Shopify support. Click on contact Shopify support, and then you want to talk to this assistant. You want to tell them, hi, I would like to talk to someone. Okay, I would like to talk to someone. And then they will direct you. They will send you with a support team. Okay, they will connect you with a support team or an agent who is going to help you. Like, you just need to explain the details to the person that they connect you with, and explain to them how you don't use your Shopify store, but you still you get charged. Yeah, you just need to explain that to them. Now, please pay attention to this. Like, if you have downloaded any apps inside your Shopify store, click on settings, apps and sales channels, and delete any app that you have paid for. Like, if you are using the premium apps, like apps that you have to pay for monthly, just like this app, I pay $4 per month, you want to make sure you uninstall it. Okay, make sure you delete the app from your Shopify store, because they will charge your card after you cancel your Shopify subscription. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, I reply to every single comment. Just go to comments below and tell me what your questions are. I reply to every single one. Okay, have a good day and see you guys next video. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.